Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm getting ready for the GQ Best Dress party tonight. Today's video I'm particularly excited about because I am getting ready for my first red carpet postpartum. And I wanted like thicker the out, but quite thinner. Okay, whatever, however, I'm sorry. No, I don't want cloth. But they're all like the wheels and the bus go round and round. Yeah, this is easy.
It's the best age.
But life changes for a mother. I think it's completely. You relate to the feeling, right? Oh, I'm also excited. Wait. I'm also excited for this. Last few kisses before I go get ready. Kiss and act. Okay? Are we gonna be good? Are we gonna? No. Going with the spirit of Ganpati all around us, let's start with Ganpati invocation. I always like to start my hair and makeup with a spiritual piece. It just sets the mood. And it's a thing, like even for my early morning shoots, I would just enter the van and the first thing I would play is any of my favorite spiritual meditative pieces. And then uske baad, of course, list would go like that. But pehla music had to be something spiritual, something I connect to, something that helps me just center. I'm actually playing music on my phone after so long. Like I haven't opened Spotify, I just realized.
I know.
You relate to the feeling, right?
Music also, like once I'm traveling, I have my AirPods on.
Yeah, and if I do, it's not like no music, but they're all like the wheels and the bus go round and round. It's all of that, like all the rhymes. I haven't listened to my music in a... Actually, the last time I think I listened to it was during labor. I actually have an entire list made for my labor. Yeah, I had a list for my labor.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. There's a huge contrast. From Ganesh Stotram to Milkshake brings all the boys to the yacht.
Better?
No, do you see this line? You have to follow this line. This?
Okay.
हाँ, शुक्र का खाना 5:30 पौने 6 तक रेडी हो जाएगा, तो उसको नीचे जाके ही खिला देना.
What is that die early?
It's very complicated.
Like
Like most of your relationships. There's a fun fact about me. I think I'm probably one of the few actors who own very less makeup products. Shazeen can't believe it. It's true.
Yeah.
I own very less. Sorry, it's the nanny calling. I have to take this. So, fun fact about me that I think I probably am one of those actors who own very less makeup products, even skincare products for that matter. Skincare, I'm sure a lot of people do with minimal, but makeup very less. I have like one eyeshadow palette. Lipsticks, I have lots because a lot of PR packages come, but I barely use one or two. I just give out the rest. I have one compact and I have one base, which is the Forest Essentials base now because I'm trying to use minimal makeup around my daughter and like less chemicals and stuff. And that's it. And my daily go-to makeup, maybe I should make a video on that, is literally like I take a lip balm and I put that here and I put here and I put it here
Oh, wow.
and I'm done. Like that's it. That's my makeup. And even for like proper events, makeup and everything, I have very less. And also I do my makeup a lot on my own. And I think
Yeah.
I genuinely think that we don't need so much
Yeah,
of
yeah,
things,
sure.
you know, like as if you stick to like a basic glam look also, you can just make do with few things. So I'm not a collector or a hoarder of makeup at all. And when a lot of my girlfriends talk about like, oh my god, this product has come, and I'm like,
Okay.
it doesn't excite me. And your closing is perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. इसको थोड़ा कम कर देंगे ना, then it will probably match. Hi. Oh, it's here? So there are these vintage cars that we're deciding to. We have options here. Right now we have an option of two cars, red and white.
I mean, it's more about you than the car.
Yeah, no, but it is about me.
Correct answer. You are not married, no? That is why you need this answer. Marriage can give options.
So the theme is Art Deco, Roaring 20s, vintage basically. So we're doing this really interesting skirt in a blazer look, and our hair and makeup is very vintage. These waves that we're going to try with the hair is something that I haven't done before. So when I was talking about how different it is than, you know, between getting ready before having a baby and now, this is one of the main differences, that I'm willing to try new things now, much more, way more than I was before. Earlier I had very set ways of doing things. Like I wanted my face to be a certain way, my eyes to be a certain way. I would just like, I want this, and I would not budge. I think now I'm like, jo karna hai kar lo, bas mujhe shanti mein rehne do, and whatever you want. Probably if Shazeen would have worked with me 2 years ago, it would be different. But yeah, I think I'm more open and to trying different things. So today is a look that I'm very excited about, because I don't think anyone's ever seen me in that look before. I haven't done it for sure. So yeah, but I think today it's also a lot about comfort. I kept telling Zainab, that who's styling me, that I really want comfort. Like, you know, I know I'm so tired all the time these days. Like I'm always tired, that I can't do something that's uncomfortable. It's going to show on my face. Anyway, पहले नहीं मैं करती थी, अब तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Like so much so कि I was like, can I wear sneakers? And she's like, no. Like no. I'm like, can we choose an outfit that I can wear sneakers and a cap? She's like, no. So yeah. अभी तो दिखा दिया, अब तो मुझे जाना ही पड़ेगा. Hi, darling. Hi, little baby. Who is this? This is Mama. This is Mama. This is Mama. Looks very different. She thinks it's someone else. Okay, you want to eat, Mama? You want to eat, Mama? Mama looks so delicious. No, you can't touch. Oh, you want the? She wants the clips. Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
Oh, should I open my eyes? Oh no, I'm not supposed to do that one. Oh,
Is it
oh.
Blinkit is here.
Oh.
Hi. Hello, Daddy. Come on, let's go.
Can I open?
Yes, you can.
Do you want to go to Daddy? Go to Daddy. See, it takes a village to get me ready today. Even Daddy's involved. Can I open my eyes?
Yes, you can.
I would have not been able to put this look together without the help of a village. They say it takes a village to bring a child up, but it also takes a village to get someone ready for a red carpet, and it takes like 10 villages to get a mother ready for a red carpet. And I'm a bit nervous because it's the first time I'm leaving Shukar at home in the evening during her bedtime, because it's so important. तो पहली बार मैं उसको छोड़ के एक इवेंट पे जा रही हूँ. सो मुझे थोड़ी सी एंजाइटी टाइप भी हो रही है, like how it's gonna be. But I have my mom, Nani's here to help out. So yeah, and this entire beautiful team. So thank you guys, and we're gonna get ready now. We're halfway there. So chill. I think we're good. The hair. Hi. Oh, I'm also excited. Wait. I'm also excited for this because tonight my friend Sahil is. Are you nominated? Are you on the list? Right? Wait, can you say that on the speaker? Oh,
Who are you talking to?
to the camera.
Yeah, I'm on the GQ Best Dressed list.
Woo! So I'm actually coming to support him. I'm going to support him. I'm just like vlogging my whole thing. So you called at the right time. There's only one thing in makeup that I love to do myself is lining my lip. It just gives me a different kind of satisfaction. And always love doing it. I'm ready. Just kidding. This is exactly why we take buffers and exactly why anything can go wrong. And remember that little tension I was talking about? I'm feeling it now because there's a little situation with my blazer और उसको अभी alteration के लिए भेजा है. It's 7:10 and we started at what, 3:30? Yeah, so I'm gonna go check on Shukar, make her do Nini, and then hopefully the blazer will be done by then. Fingers crossed. Okay, this skirt has gotten super crushed when I was feeding Shukar.
Should I just
Iron it, yeah. So I'll just quickly change and come.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to hurry up, guys. I already feel like I'm so late. It's a challenge. Yeah, bed, I'll eat. Food will always be
I think it's in the eyeshadow.
the most important thing for me.
Eyeshadow.
And more so now because I constantly feel hungry and thirsty all the time. All the breastfeeding mothers will relate to it. You know what I'm talking about. I'm like, where is that food? Where is the water? But always it's of utmost importance, especially when I go to events, and because it's like you don't you go and then मैं भूल जाती हूँ कि खाना खाना है, then I get busy. So yeah, I might as well eat before I go. हाँ, you can, that's okay. उन्होंने hair को हमें बस खोलना है ना, for sleep and lying down with her. I was like thank God we chose this hairstyle because I didn't think of it. If I had a bun or something, curls, yeah, then what would I do? Counter contour. So you counter the contour by highlighting the part below.
ठीक है, तो खोल सकते हैं ना. ठीक है, वैसे तो ये भी निकाल दो क्योंकि ये तो बड़ा हो.
जल्दी क्या होगा? टाका जल्दी होगा या हुक जल्दी होगा? चलो कर दो फिर फटाफट कर. Because of this full length mirror. What a lot of people don't talk about is how things are changed after you come back from an event, after you become a mother. So earlier I would be like, आओ makeup उतारो सो जाओ. Now I have to come, take out the makeup, have a shower, wash my hair. Simply because a perfume. So perfume निकालना होता है, सारा makeup निकालना होता है. Hair spray. So I always come and do a full head bath, a full shower before I go and sleep. With Shukar. This one, right? This.
Yes.
Now, can I hold it like this? Please. Please let me hold it like this. But it's more comfortable. Why not? I should have asked him about the bag. Okay, one second. How do you think I should hold the bag like this? Or I actually already know his answer.
Clutch, right? Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, this is my final look. Ta-da! I feel very comfortable. I'm very late. It's almost 9 o'clock. I was supposed to leave by, I don't know, an hour earlier, but who cares? The end result is great. I feel good. I'm all ready to go party. So let's go. Hi. That's what I'm doing right now. I actually check the baby monitor. Whenever I leave Shukar and go, the first thing I sit in the car and I just put the monitor on. I know some people call it obsessive, but I'm like, okay, I just need to know everything's good, I can be at peace. And yeah. Extra. I think because it's extra of everything. Extra in terms of theme, it's so big, it's dramatic. Extra in terms of the help that I needed today to get here. It's just a bit of extra in a very good way, and I'm quite looking forward to it. A red carpet look. I mean, the baby. Wow. A night of baby duties is tough for sure, but it's very rewarding. It's rewarding in a very beautiful and a spiritual way. A red carpet is like, it is rewarding in its own way, but it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, and yeah, a night of baby duties anyway. But this is a good change. I'm enjoying it. I'm actually just looking forward to going out and just having some fun. Just a night of me being me, meeting old friends, meeting new ones, and just being social, which Ashish keeps complaining I don't do much of. So Ashish, here I am being social tonight. He's very happy about it though. And also I'm looking forward to supporting and rooting for Sahil, my friend Sahil, who's made it to the GQ Best Dressed list, and so rightly so. He's so good. So I'm looking forward to all of it. Yeah.
You know, I have watched for you on the camera today.
Really?
For my channel. That is why, by the way, it looks like I'm hosting this or something, but I'm not. But I'm so much from you. So I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna go in, have fun before Shukar wakes up and calls me, and bye. This was really fun vlogging the whole thing with you. See ya. Until next time.